Are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen and embark on a culinary journey like never before? Say hello to the Ninja Foodi SS401 Power Blender and Processor, Ninja's most powerful and versatile kitchen system yet. From smoothie bowls to dough making, this powerhouse does it all, and I'm here to tell you why it's an absolute game changer. Let's dive right into what sets the Ninja Foodi SS401 apart, the SmartTorque Technology. This blender boasts a formidable 1,400 peak watt power-dense motor. Translation: it crushes through heavy loads without breaking a sweat, eliminating the need to constantly stir or shake. You can now blend, process, and create without interruption, even with the toughest ingredients. This kitchen system offers 6 preset auto IQ programs that take the guesswork out of food prep. From one-touch smoothies to precise chopping and dough making, it's like having a personal culinary assistant. The intelligent programs combine timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns, doing all the work for you. Say goodbye to uneven results and hello to culinary perfection. Sometimes, culinary creativity calls for precision. With variable speed control, you can start slow and ramp up as needed. Whether you're finely chopping ingredients or delicately folding dough, you have complete control over the process. Imagine having a single pitcher that can crush, chop, make smoothie bowls, and create dough all in one place. That's precisely what the Ninja Foodi SS401 offers. Its 72 ounces pitcher is a versatile powerhouse. No more cluttering your kitchen with multiple appliances. This does it all. Are you into healthy living? The nutrient extraction cup takes your smoothies and drinks to the next level. It ensures better breakdown for smoother extractions, meaning your drinks will be packed with vitamins and nutrients extracted from fruits and vegetables. It's a game changer for your daily nutrition. Smoothie bowls, nut butter, and blender ice cream enthusiasts rejoice. The Ninja Foodi SS401 features a built-in tamper that powers frozen foods with less liquid. The result: perfectly thick smoothie bowls and creamy nut butter that'll wow your taste buds. Dough making has never been this easy. The powerful dough mixer has the torque to fold in ingredients quickly and evenly, allowing you to make up to 2 pounds of dough in as little as 30 seconds. Freshly baked bread or homemade pizza dough, you're in control. The Ninja Foodi SS401 comes with a treasure trove of accessories: the 1,400 peak watt power-dense motor, 72 ounces power blender and processor pitcher, total crushing and chopping blade, dough blade, cleaning brush, 24 ounces nutrient extraction cups and spout lids, and a 14 ounces smoothie bowl maker with storage lid. Plus, you get hybrid edge blades and a recipe inspiration guide to ignite your culinary creativity. In summary, the Ninja Foodi SS401 Power Blender and Processor isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a culinary companion. With unmatched power, versatility, and smart technology, it's a must-have for anyone who loves cooking or simply wants to make healthy eating more enjoyable. Ready to elevate your culinary game? Click the link below to explore the Ninja Foodi SS401 Power Blender and Processor and unleash your inner chef. Your kitchen will never be the same again. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more culinary inspiration.